Welcome to the final day of pricing tips. Congratulations, you have made it. Here is part 20. I'm Alexa, a member of the pricing team, and I've worked on over 36 pricing projects. Today, we're covering value metrics in the 3 ways companies get them wrong. First up, you've tied your value metric to the wrong pricing lever. For example, if your customers use your tool to send emails and your upgrade lever is team members, well, those two don't match. You should be charging to the value of your product, and email sends is likely it. Second, your plans don't make sense or scale to your value metric. As your customer grows, their use of your product should grow, resulting in higher MRR. Well, how does this happen? An effective value metric tied to your plans with consideration of personas is critical in order to do that. And lastly, my favorite, you don't actually display a value metric on your pricing page. Think about it for a moment. If you're evaluating 2 different companies and one doesn't have a pricing page with a clear value metric that showcases the value that your customers will receive in paying for the product, well, you're most likely being taken off the table to competitors that do.